Iba po yun eh. Kasi tignan nyo, yung BICAM. Di ba may BICAM report? Doon sa BICAM report, teka muna, ba't umaandaw yung oras ko? Hindi pa na natatapos yung isyong rineraise ko. Doon sa BICAM report, nakasulat, okay, yung BICAM report, pinipintasan natin. Pero yung BICAM report, may nakasulat doon kung alin yung nabawasan, alin yung nagdagdagan. Dito sa HGAB, wala tayong makita kung alin yung nabawasan, alin yung nadagdagan.
With the indulgence of Representative Chanco, so the COMSEC is currently looking into the specific request as well as the level of detail that you are requesting.
No, within 5 minutes, I need the committee report.
If we may please move on to the other questions
Yes,
while
but-
they're working on
Yes,
this.
I will. But if within 5 minutes wala yan, ibig sabihin wala yan, ngayon palang gagawa yan. Ang gusto natin na committee report is the same as the BICAM. Okay? The same as the BICAM. Nakasulat kung saan binawas, saan nadagdag. Okay, I will mention why it is very important. Okay, ito may dalawang distrito, no? At sino ang nag-introduce ng amendment? May dalawang distrito, hindi naman to kasalanan ng congressman doon sa distritong yon. Ang NEP nila is 2.530 billion. And then, pagdating sa GAA, naging 20.999 billion. Isa pa, 1.508583 billion sa NEP. Pagdating sa GAA, 20,795. So, tapos, ang pinasok lang sa BICAM dito is 5 billion and 4 billion each. So, ang napasok dun sa small committee is 13 billion. Dun sa isa, yung isa 14 billion. So, sino yung nagpasok ng 13 billion na yun at saan tinanggal yun?